Hello everyone, it's me Siddhant and welcome to my channel. And today I have come with again new technological video, and I think you all were waiting for this great video. HTML coding chapter 2. Yes, in last video HTML coding chapter 1 I had shown you that how you can create your first HTML file and view the output result in browser, and just by following very simple steps and writing some simple codes and tags we created our first HTML file and viewed the result in browser, MSAs, Google Chrome, etc. But today in HTML coding chapter 2 we are going to do little bit developed tags and codes today. So first of all, let's open Notepad, and today again we are going to write in Notepad because it is very easy to write in Notepad. And today we are going to write a little bit complex tags and codes of HTML, and we are going to create a good HTML file. So today, as usual, let's start with HTML. And before starting to write our HTML file, yesterday I got one comment that it is more formal if we write here before HTML doc type HTML. No, that's not simply the case. Actually we can write that, but that shows like we are writing the tags from um, other document, or it will, or the viewers will assume that we are just copying the tags. But we have already one tension, you can say, that to write so many tags. And why to write more, why to include more letters in tag? It is okay if we write HTML and enter. Now after that we are going to write head as usual. And but today I'm going to tell you that in HTML file you can include as much as you want headings. If you want you can include, but for example here I'm going to include today heading like uh, my YouTube channel. You all have watched my brand new signing YouTube channel banner and the profile picture. That's a new thing. Okay, and let's close this tag. And after this, now let's start to write title. Here in the heading we can do one thing. What we can do here is, if you want to write your heading or to be viewed in your heading in center, then we have one tag for that. And the tag for that is that after heading, or we can also write in title also, but here we can write that is uh, center center center. And here we can close this tag again, center. So this was the tag. Now this my YouTube channel will be viewed in center. And but if we want to underline this, we can include one more tag, that is underline u, simply u. And let's close this u. Now after doing this, now let's write title. Now I'm not going to write title, but in this now I'm only going to include the title. Now after, let's write body, and in the body I'm again going to include center. write my name. I'm going to write Siddhant channel. Here let's write this. Now after this, here also I have included this in center, and here after body, what we can include one more tag, that is br. br is called break line, but if you want you can close this tag, or you can, if you can leave this like this only, it will, you will get the effect. And after you can write so many tags and codes of html. Today we are also going to include one more tag, that is heading 1 and 3. Heading 1 and 3, let's write. For that we have to write h1. Let's write technology. Now let's close this h1. This h1 means heading 1, but here is one heading, heading 1, and another heading we are going to again write. You can write h2, h5 as you want, but here I am going to write just h3. I am going to write. Oh, what is now? After this we have again another tag, that is going to be the changing the font. Now here how we can, which tags we are going to use to change the font size as well as the font. So for this we are going to use a tag known as font size. Font size, after this we are going to put equals to sign, and in the quote sign we are going to write purple. Oh, so oh, font size, oh sorry, font size, let's put 10, and we are going to put, make sure you will write the spelling of color, this SOLOCOLOR, and let's space and purple, and we are going to write face. Going to be this is the name of a font, copper plate gothic bold, and this all included in the stack. Now here we can write like we can write the slogan or the main motto of our channel, that is platform for educational and technological videos. And here the amazing thing is that to close this tag We do not need to again write this font size and this color face. You can directly close this by this one font and okay. Now here now after this all, if you want to again place them in center you can place them, but here I have here included new text that that is center, heading 1 3 font size, font color and font face, and likewise we can do many and many things. Now let's close our this body and HTML. Now as usual go to file and save as, write new file, new file.html, and let's go to all files and in desktop let's save it. Now here we have this done. Now let's click it and let's see the result. I'm very excited for that. Let's see what is happening. It will open, it will open. Today we have included many new tags. Let's see what will be the result or what will be the effect of those tags in our HTML codes. Oh wow, voila. Now let's see here my YouTube channel, Siddhant's YouTube channel, technological videos, educational videos, a platform for educational and technological videos. Now wow, I am really happy, and my efforts are really here has have become fruitful because within now let's compare this. Okay, now here, oh what is happening here, you can see that here this center, my YouTube channel has appeared in center, and another that is was in heading, and in again in centers Hidans YouTube channel, and this heading one here. You will wonder that here to here we have not included center tag, but how? Now listen, this heading always appears in center, and another effect is that heading 1 is in bold whereas heading 3 is in a small font. That is the difference between this and another today's new HTML3 tags that are font size, font color and font face. Today we have learned that how we can change the font size, font color and font face using the three amazing HTML codes, let's say tags, and get the amazing awesome output result. Now here the font size was 10, here it's 10 purple, and this is the copper plate gothic bold font, and it's awesome. Okay, so thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. I hope you must have enjoyed our chapter 2 HTML coding. I will be uploading chapter 3 of HTML coding, so please do not forget to miss those upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.